Hello there. Today we'll be talking about learning how to make your hustle count. What is the essence of hustling and bustling and you still have nothing to show for it? Are you tired of hustling and bustling with no money in the bank? If so, welcome to Straight Talk with Dr. Gide, where I talk about wealth creation and financial discipline. I am Dr. Olayide Jinodu. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I know you're missing out. Why don't you do that right now? Then hit that notification bell so you get notifications every time I post new videos. Now straight to the chase. You keep hearing the phrase, God bless your hustle. How can we make that possible? The word hustle can be defined as someone toiling day and night trying to make ends meet. But my question is, how long do you want to make ends meet? If you keep toiling this way, working for food, working for what to eat, working for shelter, and nothing left to save, poverty is still there knocking at the door. Now, I'd like you to get this concept. If you are a self-employed person, meaning you're your own boss, you have no employee, your financial capacity depends on what you can do with your hands. You need to be smart. You need to be deliberate. You need to create a structure around your finances, around your business. I have met so many artisans who will die poor, not because they don't have skills, but because they don't know how to manage their skills. How do you monetize your skills? I have seen so many people who believe that money is not everything. They are content with what they have, but they can't pay their children's school fees. They can't pay their rent. They constantly keep getting harassed by one creditor or the other because there is just no financial intelligence. I have seen a lot of artisans who make at least 5,000 naira per day but still complain about their life. Still feel that people who earn a salary do better off than they are. It's because there is no structure. I keep talking about compartmentalizing your finances, putting a structure to it. There's a particular percentage you must save every day or every month, depending on how funds come in. You can't go wrong doing this. It's just like a library. Every book in its place. You need to put that structure. You need to be deliberate. I keep saying it. Grab the bull by the horn. Save at least 20% of what you make that day. If you're already poor, there's no point in impressing anybody. Learn to get out of that state. Don't stay there for too long. Be systematic, be deliberate about it. Save 20% of what you earn. You think that is not enough? 20% of 3,000 naira is 600 naira. Imagine saving 600 naira every day for the next 30 days. Keep doing that for the next 6 months. You will be shocked. Now you have enough capital to start a new business. You need to be deliberate. Stop thinking or wishing somebody out there is going to loan you a large sum of money to start a business. Start with what you have. Look within. Stop complaining. Pick yourself up. Nobody's going to help you. You have to help yourself. Stop this entitlement mentality or this believing that somebody there must help you or else you can't make it in life. Study the life of people who toiled day and night and still made something out of it. Have you read about Rockefeller? Have you read about Robert Kiyosaki? These are people you should learn about, read about, and stop focusing on what is happening. You can complain all you want. You will never leave that situation. Now, how do we get deliberate about our lifestyle? You think about people you want around you. You don't surround yourself with a pity party. Spend more time with the wealthy, and in a very short while, you'll be wealthy. You start to think like them. But when you surround yourself with a bunch of broke or poor dudes, you most likely will keep staying poor. Another thing is, keep your mind educated. Ensure you read books on businesses. Poor people do not read. They don't find it valuable. They see it as a waste of time, forgetting the fact that a rich man will put the secrets of how he got his wealth in his books. You see a lot of people who are poor who spend a lot of time acquainting themselves with sports news, things that will never get you rich. You know what's happening in the political space, but you don't know what's happening in the business space, and you're telling me you want to get rich. You are joking. You need to be deliberate. Spend time on things that matter. And that will take me to the Pareto's law, the law of the vital 20. I can tell you now that you wear 20% of your clothes, and yet you complain that you don't have enough clothes. 80% of the friends you keep around are pretty useless to your future. Try to find out those 20% that are useful and are worthy to be called your friends. Spend time with those 20%. As a businessman, I've come to realize that 80% of your customers are just time wasters. So focus and build your business around the vital 20%. This law cuts across every facet of your life. 20% of the world is controlling 80% of the world's wealth, while the remaining 80% are scrambling for just the remaining 20%. Always be intentional. Don't waste your time. Avoid time wasters. Focus on thinking productively. Stop wasting your time complaining about the economy. You can complain about the economy all you want. It doesn't improve your financial status. But start solving problems. Start thinking about ways, innovative ways, legitimate ways of making money. Then you can get out of poverty. Make your hustle count. You might be born to a poor family, but if you die poor, that's totally your fault. God has nothing to do with it. Wealth starts with the mind, the way you think, the way you perceive money. Do you love money, or is money a tool to get what you want? See life this way. So don't forget these key points. Learn to be deliberate. You must be deliberate about your life. Nobody's gonna help you. Wake up and smell the coffee. Not everybody gets help. Not everybody wins the lotto. Even if you win the lotto, there's every chance you will waste all that money within the next 5 years because you never got that money through hard work. Work hard. Don't just work hard, but work smart. Be smart the way you work. Work with the wise and you will be wise. Work with the foolish and you will stay very foolish. The word is not for the wise. And there's my submission today. If you just found this video interesting, I would have you like, share, post your comments, and don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till we meet again, same time, same place next week. And don't forget, health is wealth. Bye.